having a great time in Dallas. And, you know, this is a very special opportunity, and especially for me, because I'm sat here, as you can see, with two of probably the two most influential men that have been in my life thus far, and I know they've affected you a lot. And of course, he needs no introduction. Rex Moen, the founder and CEO of Forever Living Products, is with us. And of course, the president of Forever Living Products, a great friend of all of ours, Greg Moen. And yes, they do share the last name. That's the same. So this is a father and son combination. And Rex, where did it start?
Well, I grew up in Soda Springs, Idaho, on a farm. I was riding horses before I walked. I went to my grammar and intermediate schools there in Soda Springs High School, and which was very small. 29 of us graduated together. I was called on a church mission to the Samoan Islands. When I got my call, my letter, and I read it, and it said, you're called for 2.5 years to the Samoan Islands. And I said, I wonder if they misspelled that. I've never seen that word before. And so I had to go get a encyclopedia and look up where Samoa was to know where I'd be going. I learned that the most important thing in life is to help others.